She's got a smile and it seems to me reminds me.
हेलो फ्रेंड्स, गुड इवनिंग। अभी बैंक निफ्टी देखते हैं। बैंक निफ्टी में आज एज वी एक्सपेक्टेड कुछ पुल बैक नहीं हुआ। बिल्कुल हमारे लेवल पे आके एकदम वेरी नाइस फॉल अप टू 48, 42, 750 एंड बैंक निफ्टी if it opens flat gives a pull back to 43,000 and then falls, it will go up to 42,500. There's a good chance. And if it opens gap up, then we might see 43,152 and 43,346. But I'm not looking again. We're not looking at going long at all. We're looking only at shorting opportunities. So one of these levels, we are looking for a negative candle to go short and the market. And again, just like Nifty, if the gap down is too much, then be careful in shorting the market. If you have a position, you can run it, but otherwise, don't open fresh positions if if the opens gap down. Okay, 42,500 to 42,520 will be strong support. That's it for tomorrow's Bank Nifty. Thank you for joining.
Everything was as fresh as a bright blue sky. Now and then when I see her face, it takes me away to that special place. And if I stare too long, I'd probably break down and